Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn assignment operators in Java. This is the vertical that we are going to cover in this video. Now assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. Now this is my assignment operator. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and the right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. Now the value of the right side must be of the same data type of the operand on the left side. Otherwise, the compiler will raise an error. So this 30 is of type integer. All right. If I change it to 30.5, right, we immediately get this compile time error. All right. Now, this means that the assignment operator have right to left associativity. That is, value given on the right hand side of the operator is assigned to a variable on the left, and therefore right hand side value must be declared before using it or should be a constant. Now let's look at each of the assignment operator and how they operate. So this is my simplest form of assignment operator. Now, the beginners always have the confusion that if they write an expression like this, okay, so they believe that if the initial value of age is 30 and you are adding 70 to that, it would become 100. But guys, that is not the case. This is an expression. So whenever you mention the variable name, you're just accessing the value that is stored in that variable. So you're reading that variable. Okay, so you get 30, so 30 plus 70, so yes, this line will print 100, but if you check the value being stored in the age variable, it would still be 30. So if you have to update the values being stored in a variable, you have to use the assignment operator. Okay, in here we are not using the assignment operator, we are just using the arithmetic addition operator. Just remember this concept, just this will keep it simple for you. If you are using the assignment operator, yes, you will update the value, but if you are not using the assignment operator, the value will remain the same. Okay, you're only accessing the value being stored in this variable. Okay, so let's try this out. If I run this program, now you see 100 is printed from this line. Okay, and this has printed us 30. All right, I hope that is clear. All right, so now let's look at some of the compound statements. Now what are these? Now in many cases the assignment operators are combined with other operators to build a shorter version of the statement called as compound statement. The following are the assignment operators that form the compound statement. Okay, now let's start with plus equal to. Now this operator is a compound of plus and equal to. Okay, so if you have to say num1 plus equal to num2, so guys, let's understand this, and it is a shorthand of num1 is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, this operator operates by adding the current value of the variable on left to the value on the right and then assigning the result to the operand on the left. Okay, likewise the same concept is followed for other assignment operators like minus equal to, asterisk equal to, forward slash equal to, and modulus equal to. All right, so likewise you could see if we have num3 is equal to 100 and num4 is equal to 20, and you write num3 minus equal to num4, so this is equivalent of num3 is equal to num3 minus num4. Same way, if you write num5 asterisk equal to num6, that is equivalent of num5 into num6, and that is being assigned back to num5. Okay, remember the definition that I explained. And same way we have num7 and num8, then we are saying num7 forward slash equal to num8, which is equivalent of num7 is equal to num7 divided by num8. All right, and same is the case with percentile, guys. All right, so what are we going to get back? In this case, if I say num1 plus equal to num2, okay, this is going to return me 120. Okay, so this is what I am expecting, 120. In case of minus, so what I'm expecting? I'm expecting it to return me 80. Okay, then we are doing the multiplication, so we are going to get 2000 back. Okay, and then the division, and in the division we are going to get 5 back. All right, and then at the bottom we have this remainder, so 101 mod 20. So this is going to return me 1, isn't it? So 1 is the remainder. Let me save this and run this program. Alright, so we see 120, then we see 80, 2000, 5 and 1. So that's about assignment operators in Java. I'll see you in the next video.